The greater good.
Hey everybody, Very Good Mining here. I've been looking for ways to make my Kaspa miners more profitable. And I just did a video the other day on this KS0 Ultra that's behind me right here, making it more efficient by downclocking it, undervolting it, trying to get the wattage down to make it more efficient, and it worked. I was able to shave off some watts, but I want more. So I've been looking for other ways to scrape back a little bit of profit out of these Kaspa miners, and I found a way. Stay tuned. This video will help you hopefully become more profitable with your Kaspa miner, and I'll show you how. Just hit the like button if you like that kind of content. Subscribe to the channel. I'll scroll through the screen. You can see all the videos I've done lately, and let's go ahead and get into it. Now, this is not a sponsored video. The only way I've been able to find things that helped me claw back profitability is by staying involved in the community, talking to different teams, and trying my best to find options for you guys. So I've been talking with the Nacho team. If you don't know what Nacho is, it is the first and largest meme token that was built on KRC20, and it's based off of Shai Wyborski's cat. And if you don't know who Shai is, he's a core researcher and developer of Kaspa and co-author of the Ghost Egg paper and very involved in the Kaspa community. Now, why am I, as a mining channel, talking about a meme token? The reason why is because this meme token, Nacho, tends to pump like crazy when Kaspa pumps a little bit. So I want to stack Nacho, and I found a way to stack Nacho for free while you're mining Kaspa, and you have a potential to have 0% mining fees on this mining pool. Now, like I said, this is not a sponsored video. I am just trying to share this with you guys because I found it as an option, and it might make you profitable. Let's take a look at catpool.xyz, and then I will show you guys how to set it up in your miner. It's super easy. So here is the pool statistics page. It's nice and clean. It gives you all kinds of data. It gives you the total network hash rate for Kaspa. It gives you the percent of supply mined. I like that. It gives you the current rewards, 61.74 Kaspa per second. And then the next reduction, it's in 15 days. So it gives you that warning. I like that. It gives you the next reward reduction, the current price of Kaspa. Very neat looking dashboard. I like it a lot. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at the fee structure and what you would need to do to get the 0% fees. So here's where things get interesting, because their standard pool fee of 0.75% is actually lower than this, because they're going to pay you back automatically 0.25% back in Nacho to your Kaspa address that you mine to. So I am currently mining to my Tangent wallet, and I am holding Nacho in that Tangent wallet, and they will automatically recognize if you have a Nacho NFT in that wallet, or if you're holding 100 million Nacho or more. And if you are either holding an NFT for Nacho or 100 million Nacho, then you would qualify for 100% fee rebates, and you will get 100% of that 0.75% fee back paid to you in Nacho. So you're effectively paying 0% fees because you're getting paid back in both Kaspa and Nacho. Rebates are paid in Nacho tokens within an hour of each Kaspa payout. So 1 hour after they pay you out your Kaspa, you should receive your Nacho. And then also the payout minimum is 5 Kaspa or equivalent, which I like, because this KS0 Ultra behind me is only making like 1.7 Kaspa per day. And the big boy miners aren't even making that much Kaspa per day, really. So I like that the payouts are small and that you automatically get paid out your Nacho after your Kaspa's paid out. I'll show you how to set up your miner in a second, but I wanted to show you this first because a lot of people ask these type of questions. Now, when you're setting up your stratum, you don't have to worry about picking a local stratum and a difficulty. It'll have variable difficulty, globally distributed nodes, and it will deliver the highest possible mining return. So you don't have to worry about picking all, like, oops, I picked the European stratum instead of the US stratum and stuff like that. It's already locked in the way it needs to be. So here's more details on the pool fee structures that I was telling you about. And also, I would encourage you, if you want to know more about Nacho, or cat pool, join the Discord. I'm in their Discord, and they are very helpful. The team's great. They answer questions, and they're like a very fun group. So check out their Telegram, Discord, and you can check out this website for more information. Now let's go ahead and set up the miner, and it's super easy. So the first thing you're gonna do is copy the stratum from catpool.xyz, and I'll leave the link to this in the description of the video. So all you gotta do is click this button right here, copy, and then you're gonna kind of mimic this wallet worker format. So you're just gonna punch in your Kaspa address, dot worker name, and then password is X. So I'll show you in my PB Farmer web GUI how to punch this in. And if you're using stock Ice River web GUI, it's the same thing. You're just gonna punch it in. But just remember one thing, they do not recommend adding backup pools. It says do not add cat pool to more than one pool in the web GUI. Leave pool 2 and pool 3 blank, or enter another pool stratum address for failover. So I'll go ahead and go into PB Farmer's web GUI. Okay, so PB Farmer's web GUI I like because you can delete backup pools or never add them in the first place. This is what it looks like when you punch it in properly. You're gonna just paste in that stratum that I showed you, and then you're gonna punch your Kaspa address in here, and then put dot and whatever you want your worker name to be, and the password X. Now, I don't have backup pools in here, but some Ice River machines, they lately have been showing 3 pools and 3 addresses, and sometimes they make you punch something into the other spaces lately. It's just weird how that changed. But all of a sudden in one of the newer miners, the thing wouldn't mind unless you put a backup pool in. So just remember, punch in the first pool worker as the cat pool stratum. Then you can punch in your backup pools if they're making you punch in backup pools. Okay, so here I am back in the cat pools dashboard, and it's showing me my hash rate. It's showing that I'm already mining some Kaspa. And keep in mind, this is a KS0 Ultra. So far, I've only been mining on it for a few hours. I've already got 0.1 Kas and 0.39 Nacho. So I'm already stacking Nacho. I love it. Real quick, I wanted to let you guys know that there is a Tangent wallet that is 25% off right now. So not just the 10% off that I mentioned earlier, but an additional 15% off. So this series right here, the Shades of Winter collection, is 15% off. But if you use my discount code GreaterGood, you can get another 10% off of that for a total of 25% off for a 3-card set. That's an incredible deal. Usually they're like 70 bucks. Now they're like 53.40. So that is an awesome deal. And if you use my discount code, it helps out the channel. I really do appreciate it. So I know the state of Kaspa mining is rough right now. That's why for my last few videos, I've been trying to focus on finding ways to help you guys out and make your Kaspa miners more profitable. So I'm hoping that these videos have been helpful to you. I hope you enjoyed this one. Let me know in the comments what you think about this new cat pool. Are you going to try it out? I like that I'm stacking Nacho. I love that when Kaspa pumps a little bit, Nacho pumps a lot. I feel like there's a lot of potential here, and I'm hoping that we have good times coming up. Some of my recent videos I've focused on like macro and policy and like charting and stuff like that. But sometimes that's not as helpful if you've already bought a miner and you want to try and scrape some profitability out of it. So I'm hoping these last few videos have been helpful. So if they were, please, like I said, hit the like button. It helps more than you know. Subscribe to the channel if you like the content. Like I showed you earlier, I've got tons of crypto content you can check out. Please use the affiliate links in the description of the video. That helps out more than you guys know. It does put a little bit of money back into my pocket. It takes a long time to research and do these videos. So if you use those affiliate links and discount codes, it helps you out too. But I do appreciate it if you use them. And last but not least, don't forget to keep it decentralized for the greater good.
The greater good.